Oh, hey, dyers! You know what I love most about fashion? It's not about what's trending or how much you spend. It's all about making something that feels totally. Off with a classic, the cropped tee. Grab an oversized shirt, mark where you want it to hit, and snip away with fabric scissors. The no-sew t-shirt tote bag. Just cut off the sleeves, scoop out the neck, and tie the bottom with knots. Boom! A reusable bag for the grocery store or beach days. Go wild with patches or fabric markers to make it extra you. Project 4? Patches. Seriously, these little guys are like instant personality boosts. Iron them onto jackets, bags, jeans, wherever you want. I love mixing vintage patches with something quirky for a look nobody else has. Number 5, ribbon-laced hoodies. Swap out the drawstring for velvet or satin ribbon, or weave ribbon through the sleeves for a corset look. It's soft, romantic, and so easy. Just use a safety pin to thread the ribbon through tight spaces. Now let's get a little edgy with distressed jeans. Scissors, sandpaper, tweezers. That's all you need. Start slow, distress the knees or hem, and remember, it's easier to go further than to fix overdone cuts. Project 7, reverse tie-dye. Twist a black tee, tie it up, and carefully spray diluted bleach. Always do this with gloves and in fresh air. The result? Super cool, grungy patterns that are one of a kind. Don't forget your sneakers. Paint them, doodle on them, or just swap out the laces for something bright. I even tried glow-in-the-dark paint for late-night festivals. So fun! Number 9, scarf tops. Big scarves aren't just for winter. Fold and tie them into halters, bandeaus, or cute wrap tops. Light silk or satin scarves work best for that perfect drape. Finally, the details. Swap out boring buttons for gold, vintage, or novelty ones. Or add studs, chains, and safety pins for a little punk edge. Tiny changes, major upgrade. So remember, fashion doesn't have to be fast or expensive. The coolest looks are the ones you make yourself. Every cut, patch, and paint stroke adds a little more story to your wardrobe. If you loved these ideas, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your most stylish friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative fashion inspo. Tag me at @FashionTipsTricks. I want to see what you make. Until next time, keep creating and keep wearing what makes you happy.